25. It was a mesmerizing and glittering evening on the last day of the Cherry Blossom Festival at Kurkalang Field in Bhoi Rimbong in Reverberate district. As the sun set on the final day, the RB DSA Sports Complex was bathed in the glow of a vibrant festival. The festival reached its climax on the final day, leaving attendees in awe with a captivating display of music, cultural vibrancy and the splendid beauty of nature. The festival's grand finale featured a stellar lineup of artists international, national and local, including Sanam, Boyzone vocalist Ronan Keating, Jonas Blue, Luma Jao, Blue Temptation and others, delivering performances that resonated with the diverse audience gathered to bid farewell to this celebration. The two-day musical extravaganza marked the presence of international artists including Neo. Along with the rest of the country, Chauth Puja was also